Today I'm making a quick and easy burrata salad that is perfect for an appetizer or side dish. Let's jump right into it. First I grab the fresh baguette and cut it in half, then cut it into 15 quarter-inch thick slices. Next grab a baking pan and lightly coat it in oil. Place down your bread slices in a few lines and add a few drops of olive oil to each slice. You don't need a lot here, just enough to coat. Lightly brush them to spread out the oil. Then season all your slices with a pinch of salt and pepper on each. We can now throw our slices under the broiler to toast them. Pull them out as soon as they reach a nice golden brown. Then flip your slices to the other side. Repeat the process again. Brush on more olive oil, season with salt, pepper, and then toss under the broiler. Once they are done, place them in a bowl and set it aside. I then took 4 vine-ripe tomatoes and cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Feel free to adjust the size of the finished tomatoes to your liking. Now place the cut tomatoes into a large bowl. Then season with a few generous pinches of salt and a generous pinch of black pepper. Add in about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, then stir to combine ingredients. Then toss in a handful of fresh basil, then mix thoroughly to help infuse the flavors together. Create a well in the center of the bowl where the burrata is going to sit. Next, place the burrata in the center of the bowl. You can either leave it in whole or rip it to allow the cream to flow out, which is my preference for this dish. Lastly, you'll grab your crispy bread pieces and then place them around the perimeter of the entire bowl. Now you're ready to make this insanely easy, quick, and delicious burrata salad that you're going to want to keep coming back to.